Hi guys, welcome to our channel Hana Beauty. And you know, self-care is a long journey that I'm really happy to join with you on that journey to helping you healthier and become beautiful every day. And if this is your first time here, please subscribing and turning on the bell button to get notification of our latest video. Dry skin is a common concern for several people, especially during season like winter. And it's not easy to handle and tackle this issue given that dryness takes over the face and brings its skin along with redness and itchy all the times. And face packs for dry skin improve the condition of the skin while locking in the moisture. A homemade face mask offers the benefits of being natural and causing no harm to the skin. You can mix and match a few kitchen ingredients to concoct a fitting face pack in just a few minutes. So you need to add this homemade pack to your daily skincare to achieve soft, supple, and glowing skin. Now check it out.
You will need a half of cucumber, 1 tablespoon of sugar. And how we can make it? First one, peel and mash the cucumber. Cucumber contains a high content of silica. Silica is an essential element of healthy connective tissue, providing areas where the integrity of your skin may have been compromised through the dry skin. Breakouts, skin thinning of sun exposure with products containing this ingredient, you can expect your skin to be fortified. Cucumber also can help to speed the healing process and provide your skin with support. That high water content is perfect to help hydrate your skin. Dry skin often appears textured, dull, and any aging is accentuated. This moisturizing effect will help to soften any rough texture you may be experiencing and provide your skin with nourishment. Another benefit of moisturizing your skin with cucumber is that it will reduce the appearance of fine lines. And this should be mixed with a tablespoon of sugar and mixed well. Next one, keep it in the refrigerator for a while, and then use it on the face as well as neck. This should be left for about 10 minutes before washing off with water, and pat dry the skin followed by a moisturizer to get rid of dryness. And how often to use? One can use this face mask twice a week for desirable results. Juicy watermelon, yogurt, and cucumber face pack for dry skin. You will need 2 tablespoons of cucumber juice, 2 tablespoons watermelon juice, 1 tablespoon of yogurt. And how we can make it? You need to mix in all the ingredients mentioned above and make a smooth paste. Watermelon is known for bringing back lost moisture in your skin. If your skin is dry and dull, watermelon has all the answers. The antioxidants and high water content of watermelon will boost the moisture in your skin, making your skin glow. Watermelon is packed with antioxidants and vitamins that work great as anti-aging agents. Its ingredients open up your pores and shrink them. Not just this, regularly massaging your skin with watermelon on your skin will improve the skin elasticity and make your skin firmer. And apply this as a mask on the face and neck. This mixture when applied on the skin should be left for at least 15 minutes. Cool water should be used to rinse the face and then pat dry with a clean towel. It will leave the face glowing, And how often to use? One can apply this face mask on alternative days for good and bright results. Watermelon and honey face pack for dry skin. You will need 1 tablespoon of watermelon juice, 1 tablespoon of honey. And what you have to do, first one, extract fresh watermelon juice and add honey to it. And mix them together and apply on your face. I'll leave this on for about 20 minutes and then wash it off. And how often you should do this? Depending on how your skin is responding to this face pack. You can use it up to twice a week.
I hope this guide on home mist face packs for dry skin is useful. These are quite affordable and also easy available in stores, and they are free from chemicals and easy to prepare, and the moisture and nourishment will back on your skin in no time with these face packs. And try this one out and we'll surely get back to them without second thought. And let us know what you think about them in the comments, and we'll love to hear from them. And goodbye until your next video, and don't forget subscribing and hit the bell button to get all beauty tips from us.